Assalamu alaikum boys. Today we have a topic subtraction. Subtraction by using bigger numbers. Okay. Now I will explain you how to subtract numbers when you are dealing with 7 or 8 digit numbers. Now it says when doing subtraction sums with very big numbers, we are always careful with our columns. It means whenever we are dealing with the subtraction sums, we need to be careful regarding column wise. So there is an example. Now I will explain you how you people have to work them out. The certain numbers are given over here. Basically it is a 8-digit number. Okay, so now I have to subtract them. So it means that we have to move column wise. Okay, and every time we have to very careful about columns. So this is first ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, millions and 10 millions. So that is how we have arranged them. Now whenever you are dealing with the subtraction questions, you have to check out what is the first number given. Okay, if the first number is bigger than the second number, so it means we can work them out. But in the case if the first number is smaller than the second number, so what I am going to do is that I have to take one number from the next column. So it means I have to borrow 1 for the first column. So it was 4, now I need 1. So 6 minus 1 will remain 5, and I will take this one to this column and it will become 14. So I can subtract now 14 minus 6. When 14 minus 6, it will become 8. Okay, now as I took 1 from the 6, so it is 5 left. Now I need to make 5. I can't subtract this 5 by this 9. So it means I need to make this 5. I need to turn into 15. So I will take 1 from this 2. So it will become 15, and 2 minus 1 will remain 1. Okay, now I can work it out. 15 minus 9 will give you 6. Okay, what is left for the third column? I have 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0 will become 1. Now the next fourth column. In the fourth column, the first number is bigger than the second number. So 7 minus 2 will become 5. The same case, I can do 9 minus 4. It will become 5. Now again, there is a critical point. I can't subtract 4 minus 9. So I need to turn this 4 into 14. So I will take 1 from this 6. It will become 14, and 14 minus 9 will become 5. Now as I have taken 1 from 6, so it is left 5. 5 minus 3 will give you 2. Now the last column is based on the bigger value. It is 2 minus 1, and that will become 1. So that is how you people have to work them out regarding column wise. Now there is another example. It says subtract the given numbers. The two numbers are given. Okay, so it means you need to subtract them. The first number is based on 8 digits and the other number is based on 5 digits. So now first I have to write them out in a proper way. So first column again is based on ones. So ones or units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. This time this is based on Pakistani place value chart. So now what I am going to do is, again I have to check out the first number. The upper number should be bigger than the smaller number, the lower number. So this time it is 0, minus 5. I can't do 0 minus 5, so I will have to borrow 1 from 6. So it will become 10. So 10 minus 5 will become 5. Now, as I have taken 1 from this 6, so 6 minus 1 is 5. So I can do 5 minus 4 will give you 1. Okay, now just move on. The next third column, the upper number is 3 and the lower number is 7. So I need to convert this 3 into 13. So what I am going to do is I will take 1 from this number. But now this time this is 0 over here. So I need to make this 0 into 10. So for that I need to move on. Again the number is 0. So I need to make it 10 again. So again I need to move on. Now again there is a 0. Again there is a 0. And now there is 2. So it means that I can take 1 from here. And then I will go back in the same sequence. Okay, so when I will take 1 from this 2, so it will become 10 over here. Then I will take 1 from this 10, it will become 9, and this will become 10. Now again I will take 1 from this 10 for the next this number. So it will remain 9. So now I will make it 10. Now again I will take one number from this 10, it will become 10 again over here. So now from this 10 I will take 1 for this 3, so it will remain 9 over here. Now this time 13 minus 7 will give you 6. So 9 minus 8 will give you 1. Again 9 minus 3 will give you 6. 9 minus 0 will give you 9. 9 minus 0 again will give you 9. And as 1 is left over here, so 1 minus 0 will give you 1. Now, there is a home task given. Question says to work out the given questions. So, A part, B part, C part. In the C part, there is a statement 4,000 less than to this number. 4,000 less than means that you have to subtract. The D part again, 500 less than to the given number. It means that you have to subtract again 500 from the given number. Okay boys, thank you so much. I think you can work them out easily. And if there is any problem, we will discuss it later. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.